Class 8th Grammar and Composition, Unit 2, Kinds of Sentences. Hello, my dear students. I am Mr. Patekar Anand. Welcome you all to Xavier Home School. My dear students, stay at home and be safe, and don't forget to subscribe this video and share it with your friends. Hello, my dear students. In the previous part, we have seen the rules to write a sentence and the two parts of a sentence, that is subject and predicate. Today we will learn a new unit, that is the kinds of sentences. Dear students, before we start this unit, let's quickly revise yesterday's unit. Dear students, yesterday we had talked about sentence. Who can tell me what is a sentence? Yes, very good. A sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense. In other words, a sentence should be meaningful, and we can also say a sentence is the largest unit of any language. The sentence is generally defined as a word or a group of words that expresses a thorough idea by giving a statement, order, or asking a question or exclaiming. My dear students, along with the definition of a sentence, we need to keep few rules in our mind to write a sentence. Who can tell me few rules? Yes, very good. A complete sentence need to start with a capital letter and end with some form of punctuation. So at the end of a complete sentence, we will need a period. Period means a stop. Next one is you will need a question mark or an exclamation mark or even a semicolon. Dear students, a sentence should have a subject and a predicate, and also it should contain a verb. Along with it, all the proper nouns should begin with a capital letter. So students, keeping these rules in mind, we can frame many sentences. So here are a few examples. Number 1, Brad came to dinner with us. In the end, we all felt like we ate too much. We all agreed it was a magnificent evening. I hope that when I have built up my saving, I will be able to travel to Mexico. Wouldn't it be lovely to enjoy a week soaking up the culture? And the last one is, oh, how would I love to go, of all the places to travel, Mexico. My dear students, once you know to frame a meaningful sentence, you should know the two parts of a sentence. Who can name them? Yes, very good. It's subject and predicate. Who can tell me what is a subject? Yes, very good. A subject is about whom we are talking. And who can tell me what is a predicate? Yes, very good. A predicate means what we are talking about, a subject. So in short, we can say the person or thing being discussed in a sentence is a subject. And the predicate is the part of the sentence containing a verb and discussing the subject. My dear students, once you are aware of a sentence, then we can start a new unit, that is kinds of sentences. So my dear students, let's see the 4 types of sentences and the effects of punctuation. When students learn to write, they begin by learning about the 4 types of sentences. and the role punctuation plays in determining and creating those different sentence types. So my dear students, there are four types of sentences. The first one is declarative sentence, second one is imperative sentence, third one is interrogative sentence, and the fourth one is exclamatory sentence. Now let's see what is a declarative sentence. A declarative sentence simply makes a statement or expresses an opinion. In other words, it makes a declaration. This kind of sentence ends with a period. Period means a stop. Now let's see few examples of this type. I want to be a good writer. Second one, my friend is really a good writer. My dear students, who can point out a mistake in the above two sentences? Yes, very good. A sentence should begin with a capital letter. Now we will learn imperative sentence. An imperative sentence gives a command or makes a request. It usually ends with a period but can under certain circumstances end with an exclamation point. Here are few examples of imperative sentence. Please sit down. I need you to sit down now. My dear students, now let's see about an interrogative sentence. An interrogative sentence asks a question. This type of sentence often begins with who, what, where, when, why, how, or do, and ends with a question mark. Examples of this kind. When are you going to turn in your writing assignments? Do you know what the weather will be tomorrow? Dear students, the fourth kind of sentence is an exclamatory sentence. An exclamatory sentence is a sentence that expresses great emotions such as excitement, surprise, happiness, anger, and ends with an exclamation point. Examples of this sentence type: is it too dangerous to climb that mountain? I got an A on my book report. So my dear students, I hope you have understood the four kinds of sentences. Who can name them? Yes, very good. The first one is declarative sentence. The second one is imperative sentence. The third one is interrogative sentence. And the fourth one is exclamatory sentence. So my dear students, learning about the different types of sentences and punctuation will help you to become better writers. So dear students, take down today's homework. Write all the four kinds of sentences, their definitions and the examples in your classwork notebook and submit it to me when the school reopens. Till then, take care and have a nice day. Bye.